Okay, so now I want to show it to you. Okay, the next common error in Microsoft Excel is a name error display. Okay, so the name error indicates that Excel does not recognize something. Okay, this could be a function name misspelled, a name range that does not exist, or a cell reference that you entered incorrectly. Okay, so for example, in our worksheet here, okay, at column F, okay, cell F8, okay, it contains a function. Okay, so I want to change. Okay, instead I'm using sum function, I want to change to total. Okay, so when I press enter, okay, you will see they will display name error. Okay, so what it means is here total is not one of the function inside Microsoft Excel. That's why Microsoft Excel didn't recognize the functions of total. Okay, so to fix a name error, you must find the problem first, then correct the spelling or a syntax. Okay, so in our case here, okay, we have found out, okay, that total is not one of the function inside Microsoft Excel. So we change into example sum, and then I press enter. So now we already fixed the name error display.